Curly Hair Q&A. This is your question of the day. I'm your host, Ken Nickels, and I'm here with Melanie Nickels. She is the founder of the Raw Hair Organic Salon in beautiful Naples, Florida. It's one of the top curly hair salons in the country, and Melanie is one of the top curl experts anywhere in the world. She is also the founder of the Raw Curls brand of natural and organic curly hair products. Melanie, my hair is flat at the crown, no matter if I'm clipping it or upside down diffusing. Do you have any pointers you can give me? Flat at the crown.
Well, this may be a scenario that we just talked about in a previous show where they could benefit from the proper haircut, having a little bit of layering through that area to lift and alleviate some of the weight that's weighing that hair down.
Is that something a curl specialist can do?
Yes. Yes, absolutely. So if it's not working with the products and the pinning or the clipping, there is that new root lifter gadget that's not out yet.
Yeah, it's not ready yet.
Not ready yet.
Yeah, we've heard about this.
Yeah, you know, I'm wondering if, trying to mix up the products, doing a little bit of a mousse or something to swell that hair and give it a little more fullness and body in that area could help. But I'm not sure about her haircut, and maybe it's just too heavy and needs some layers. It doesn't have to be real short, but it just could use some weight removed or some layers in that area.
Yeah, that would make sense. I think that's probably it. So, if you have a question that you would like Melanie or I to answer in an upcoming episode, feel free to leave it in the comment section below wherever you're consuming this content, and we'll see you again tomorrow.